Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Paul here with the puppies. Say hi to the puppies. Say hi to all the puppies, young and old. They're all puppies, young at heart. So I just wanted to get into a few words about the headlights on the BMW K1200R Sport. I think it'd be the same on the BMW K1200R. I think it's an absolutely shitty design. They have these wire clips that you have to depress. I took some video of it. It's horrible resolution, but maybe it'll help you figure out how those hooks work. You have to depress them, push them in, and come around the hook. The hook is like this, going to the inside. So there's two of them, one facing up, one facing down. You got to depress that clip and get it around there to release the light. My headlight, when it's in there, it does not want to come out easy. Those headlights on the two prongs that are on the bulb, there's a hole there. You can take a little pick tool and pull it out. That's one way to get them out. I definitely recommend removing the windscreen if you have a K1200R Sport. Removing the windscreen helps a great deal with giving you a little bit of movement in there. It's a tight squeeze. I think BMW did a shitty job on that headlight design. You know, on a car or something where you got a lot of room to manipulate those clips. You know, I have Mercedes that have the same design on them, but it's a lot easier on the car. But that's just a little comment, and I hope these little video clips help you. One of my puppies wants attention. I was out for a ride earlier and fiddling around with the bike. It took me a damn hour to change a headlight bulb, and I just changed one a few months ago. I put Sylvania, the brightest ones that they make. You know, they're bright, that's good. I don't do much riding, but if I do get caught at night, I want to be able to see. But the downside of the bright bulbs, they don't last as long. So I ordered a set of H7 LEDs. I'm going to try to convert that to LED lights. We'll see if that works. I bought them from Amazon. If it doesn't work, at least with Amazon, I can return them. So we'll see what happens with that. If they do work out, I'll definitely be posting a video. All right, guys. Take your time and be gentle getting those headlights out. That clip, I had mine come off of the retaining screw, and oh my God, you want to talk about a fucking nightmare getting that back on. Holy Christ. Wendy helped me with her little fingers, thank God. So if you got fat fingers like me, you'd be in trouble. Thanks again for watching. Please give a like and subscribe. Shows YouTube somebody's watching and helps you. Bye-bye, guys. Stay safe out there. See you soon.